this video we will be talking about the admission criteria in burns. Remember that it is very important to know the admission criteria in burns because the burns have immediate, intermediate and late effect. So knowing the admission criteria, we will admit the right patient and we will give a better treatment. So what are the admission criteria? Remember that the values in this admission criteria change according to different classification system. But here most of values are taken from Bailey and Love and we will study the admission criteria now. The first one, the patient we should be admitted is having a more than 20% partial thickness burn with age greater than 10 year. Second one is 10% of total partial thickness burn with age less than 10 year or more than 5% full thickness burn of any age. So focus on this partial thickness, full thickness and age. The fourth one is burns to eye, face, finger, genitalia, etc. Mean all the cosmetic appearance things which will give a cosmetic appearance to a body. If it get affected, admit the patient. The fifth one is chemical burn. The sixth one is electrical burn. The seventh one is no one to take care. The eighth one is a psychiatric patient, and the last one is suspicious burn. The suspicious burn mean homicidal. For example, if you are suspecting that patient is having some homicidal intention behind the burn, so for in these patients we should admit the patient in burns ward and treat the patient accordingly. So it is just a summary or a recap of admission criteria in burns. It is very important to know and it most commonly appear in exam, especially the first three one, the 20% partial thickness burn in age more than 10 year, the more than 10% partial thickness burn in age less than 10 year, and greater than 5% of full thickness burn of any age. These three are very important and it do appear in exam. If there is still any question, you guys can ask and stay tuned for more update.